Here's how to star lace Nike Air Force Ones. We're going to start by putting our little metal tag out of the way for later, and take a hold of your lace. And we're going to take the lace through the second eyelet down from the top on the right hand side, from above like this. And you want to pull it through around about a hand's amount. And then just tuck that lace out of the way for later. So you have something that looks like this. Now remember, you can pause this video as much as you need to, go as slowly as you want, and we'll make it a lot easier for you. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it over and see the second eyelet down from the top. We're going to take the lace end down through that from above. There's just no rush at all. Let's just get it right and enjoy ourselves. This is a really fun pattern when you take it slow. Great, now you have a little bar shape. Keep a hold of the lace and skip this eyelet here on the left hand side, and instead let's focus on the one below that. Bring the lace end up through it from underneath, so you have something that looks like this. Then let's keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on this side to make another bar. So take that down into that eyelet from above to make a second bar like this. Looking good. Now we're going to take this lace all the way down to the very bottom eyelet here on the right hand side, and we're going to bring it up through it from underneath. Now, this might be a little bit fiddly for you, so just take your time, wiggle that lace in through until you have something that looks like this. Looking good. Then we're going to keep a hold of it, bring it all the way across the sneaker tongue and down into this eyelet here that already has a lace through it. So these eyelets can be a bit stiff, especially if your Air Force Ones are new. Just take your time and wiggle that through until you have that through there. And it looks like this. Looking good. Then what we're going to do, bring that lace underneath this piece here. And we're going to bring it up through the very bottom eyelet on the left hand side this time from underneath. So just wiggle that through, pull it, and then we're going to bring it over and do the same on this side. This eyelet here that already has a lace through it, we're going to bring our lace end down into it. So just take your time and wiggle it, pause if you need to. Looking good. Pull that all the way through. Until we have something that looks like this. Then you want to take this lace end underneath this X here, and we're going to bring it up through this very bottom eyelet on the right. Now we already have a lace through, this part can be a bit fiddly, so just take your time. If the eyelet is a little bit stiff, you can take your lace end through it from above first and just do what I'm doing here. And just wiggle that from that side to widen it a little bit before you take your lace end through from underneath. And once you get that through like that, just pull it all the way until you have something that looks like this. Looking good. Now we're really going to see our star pattern finish forming. Keep a hold of the lace, take it underneath this one here, like that. And we're going to bring it over this very top bar here. Just pull it through slowly until we have the top point of our star. Now here's a little trick you can do. Pinch that top of the star with the heat of your fingers and it will press it a little bit flat so it comes out looking really pointed. Then keep a hold of the lace and we're going to feed it through this bit here underneath this bar to keep it all in place. Looking good. And then we're going to take this lace end down into the very bottom eyelet here on the left from above. Now again, it can be a little fiddly, so just take your time wiggling that through. And then pull it. Just like that. Looking good. Now keep hold this lace and we're going to run it underneath the entirety of the pattern. So just feed it under there, like this. And then you're going to tuck it out of sight on this side. Then we're going to bring it up through this very top eyelet on the left here from underneath. And now we're going to bring back our little metal tag and we're going to feed it on like this. Make sure it's the right way up. Take the lace end down through the first hole and up through the second from underneath. Then you just want to pull it through, and we're going to have it sat there, which looks really cool. Then take your remainder of your lace and take it down into the final eyelet on the right hand side at the top from above, just like this. Great, now you can fish out your bit of lace from the very beginning, and then you're just going to want to tie those in a little knot or in a little bow and tuck it out of sight down the side of the sneaker tongue, and that'll just sit alongside your foot. It's super soft and won't bother it, and it'll mean the pattern will stay in place. Repeat on your other sneaker, you'll have an awesome pair of Starlace Nike Air Force Ones. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for your sneaker lacing content. Thanks a lot, guys.